Neuroscience is the study of the nervous system. The nervous system consists of neurons and glial cells. Neurons are the basic unit of the brain. The neuron consists of the cell body, dendrites, the axon hillock, an axon, myelin sheath, nodes of ranvier, and the terminal. The cell body contains the nucleus, which in turn contains the genetic material in the form of chromosomes. Dendrites are branch-like structures that act to receive chemical messages from other neurons. The axon hillock is a cone-shaped area of the cell body that gives rise to the axon. The axon extends from and takes info away from the cell body. The myelin sheath is a series of fatty cells which have been wrapped around an axon many times. The nodes of ranvier are gaps between sections of myelin where the axon is exposed. The terminal is the branched tip of the axon, which transmits signals from one neuron to another. There are three types of neurons: motor neurons, sensory neurons, and interneurons. Motor neurons stimulate muscles or glands. Sensory neurons respond to environmental stimuli such as light. And interneurons both receive input from and send input to other neurons. Glial cells are the supporting cells of the nervous system. There are four types of glial cells: astrocytes, Schwann cells, oligodendrocytes, and microglia. Astrocytes are star-shaped and provide neuronal support and communication. They are also responsible for the neuron-blood chemical transfer. Schwann cells are in the peripheral nervous system and insulate axons. Oligodendrocytes are in the central nervous system and insulate axons as well. Microglia cells are in the central nervous system and remove waste. Finally, what is a synapse? A synapse is the small gap at the end of a neuron that allows a signal to pass from one neuron to the next. Synapses have three components: the presynaptic membrane, the synaptic cleft, and the postsynaptic membrane. The presynaptic membrane is on the axon terminal of the presynaptic neuron. It contains synaptic vesicles, which are small spheres that contain a neurotransmitter, a specialized chemical substance. The synaptic cleft is a gap that separates the presynaptic and postsynaptic membrane. Neurotransmitters are released into the synaptic cleft in response to electrical activity. The postsynaptic membrane is on the dendrite, or cell body, of this postsynaptic neuron. It contains receptors, which are specialized proteins that the neurotransmitter binds to. Thank you for watching. Let us know below what other topics you'd like to see.